What do you think you've got out of the last 3 years? I mean, in terms of your journey.
A lot of knowledge, obviously. A career. I got a career out of it. I'm now a full-time orchestrator. And I basically started from zero, and I'm where I want to be.
It was great to intermingle with people from all over the world, and it was great to have ideas and share things. And as a matter of fact, doing the course online was more enjoyable.
It forces you to look at it as a job as opposed to this is outside of what you do. And I really wanted it to be something where I had a process that I was learning, and it was very important to me that the person that was teaching me actually did the work. I wanted someone who kind of was in the trenches and understood what it meant to be a working composer, who was successful at it.
I could have written the tunes, and I could have played them in on a keyboard and made it sound ish, but to actually be able to score it out and do all the Pro Tools sessions and do all the parts and everything and all the orchestration and actually be able to stand up there and have it played, not a hope unless I'd done the course.
It's unique. There's nothing like this. And I've been to a lot of schools, and the way you prepare and present your material is just amazing, and it's a ton of material too. I mean, just going through all the videos, oh, there's another one. Oh my God, you know. And it's the interviews you do with the directors.
I definitely feel more employable. I didn't want to really start applying for things until I felt I'd finished the course, because I wanted to be up and ready, and now I can do it. And I definitely feel I'm in that place now.
ThinkSpace helped me develop as a sound designer because it allowed me to put my ideas into practice and try things out without the risk of it, annoying a client.
I needed some advice on writing some superhero music yesterday, and who better to speak to than Guy Michelmore, who has spent decades of his life doing superhero music for TV that earns a living from it.
The feedback from tutors about the assignments was very helpful. Having worked in academia myself, marking projects isn't always an easy thing, and the length and detail of the marking that I received was very impressive, to say the least.
The one-to-ones were invaluable because it was one of the main moments you got to speak to someone and get immediate feedback about things that you were doing, and you could very much tailor them to what you wanted to talk about.
Having amazing other students as well, and the community that we have, and people help each other.
You don't feel like you're on your own at all, and I think that really helped. And there's people all around the world doing these courses, and it does feel like a really good community, and it's exciting, something to be part of.
And everyone's got such a different background. So there's people that are great at the theory stuff and not so good at the technical stuff, but that's great, everyone helps each other out. So
where people are in California and Singapore and Switzerland, and there's always someone up if you need some help. There's always, through the time zones, there's always someone available, which is really good. It's a different type of campus, but it's amazing.
I think the final thing I'd have to say about ThinkSpace is that for me it worked out to be a really great opportunity, a great learning experience.
Everyone could improve, even though they might not think they can in a certain area. And I really think I've come on a long way in orchestration. But at the same time, I've only just scratched the surface of it. But I feel at least I can step out into the world now, and with some kind of dignity.
I definitely got quicker at composing. I think I used to be able to, well, I don't know, I definitely couldn't mock up like a track in a day. It would take me months, and now it's like, you got to do it in a day. So it's made me quicker. It's made me more confident, actually, just in myself and in my writing.
I am overwhelmed with joy because it's very, very good program. I'd recommend it to anybody.
I wish it hadn't finished, to be honest, but then I think it's a lifelong learning experience, so this is one of many that I hope to continue.
I learned a lot in this course, and as I already said, I would recommend it to anybody without any hesitation.
I'd say go for it. Absolutely go for it. The course material is phenomenal. The tutors are great. The support staff, fantastic. Their attention to detail is really wonderful. I would encourage anyone to go and do what I did.
If this is something you want to do, I can't think of a better way of doing it. This ThinkSpace has just been perfect for me.